In this video, we're going to use the vertical method to subtract polynomials. And you'll notice we've been given two polynomials here, 7b squared minus 2b plus 3. And from that, we're going to subtract negative b squared plus 1. Well, subtraction is the same as adding the opposite. And even if you like to use the vertical method, I'm still going to encourage you to set up your problem first by changing it to an addition statement. So let's go ahead and do that, shall we? We have 7b squared, keep my brackets, minus 2b plus 3. Remember, we don't change our first polynomial. And I'll change it to addition, and I'm going to switch out the signs for each term inside. So negative b squared becomes positive b squared, and positive 1 becomes negative 1. Okay, so now we're set up and we're ready to use the vertical method if you prefer. Let's start by putting our first polynomial on top of the vertical expression. So 7b squared minus 2b plus 3. Now I'm giving myself lots of space here just so it's easy to visualize what's going on. Let's line up our like terms. B squared. And you'll notice there's no b term in our second polynomial. Well, that's okay. You can still use the vertical method. You can either leave that space blank, or you can add 0b if you like to see something written in there. That's fine. It won't change this term. And the last thing we're doing is going to be adding a negative 1, which we can just represent that with subtract 1. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and set that up. So 7b squared plus, remember this is like a 1b squared, that gives us 8b squared in total. Negative 2 plus 0, well, if that stays as negative 2b, plus 3 minus 1 is plus 2. And there you have it. That is your simplified polynomial for subtraction using the vertical method.